Hey, Facebook, what's up? Happy Friday. It's Kelly Ray Light coming to you on this gorgeous day here in Orlando, Florida. Today, we're going to be talking about headaches, a little bit about tension headaches. So, I've got my massive hair up so I can show you guys some massage demo techniques. Thank you guys for being with me here on this Friday. So for those of you that are catching the replay, go ahead and drop hashtag replay and feel free to post your questions, post your statements. I do go back and review the comments, so I will take a look at those. Okay, let's see who we have on here. Hi, John. Thanks for being live with me. Let me know, can you guys hear me? Can you see me? Everything good on the technical end? And remember, I do have a delay. The lighting is not great. Okay, so for those of you who are here, thank you for your presence. And as we're waiting for people to join us, I want to know, have you had tension headaches? So who can relate to that? Can you guys see me? I still don't know if you guys can hear me. So if somebody can let me know if you can hear me and see me okay, I would appreciate it. Hi, Kenny. Thanks for being on. Let me see. I think I can. Oh, perfect. Thanks, John. So remember, guys, I do have a delay. All right, so who has had a tension headache before? Do you guys know what tension headaches are? So I'll share with you, I'll define it a little bit. For those of you that don't know, I am a licensed massage therapist. I'm a Reiki master, so I do a lot with helping my clients to move through their different sorts of tension and stress issues. We talked a little bit about how to take care of your neck last week, so I thought it would be helpful to talk about headaches today. I had some people message me this week for headache care, and so I wanted to pass that along with you guys as well. So tension headaches are going to be headaches that are caused by actual muscle tension. So this is going to be primarily found, like you'll feel them coming up through your neck and over your head. Typically, I think that's where you feel the tension headaches. This would be different than like a sinus headache. Sinus headache would be like all here, right? So John, thank you. Neck-based headaches, absolutely. So those headaches that throb at the back of your neck, you might feel them going down into your shoulders, and it's all based back here. So those are going to be tension headaches. Not fun. I have had headaches almost my whole life, and I don't have them anymore because I do a lot of self-care. Part of the reason why I became a massage therapist was after getting my back injured and receiving body work and seeing what that could do to help me individually. I had to go to massage school to help other people in that way. But I've been getting headaches since I was probably like 7 or 8. They tested my eyes, they tested me for all kinds of things, and as a massage therapist, what I think was going on is that I just wasn't hydrating enough, and I think I had a lot of stress and tension. Yes, even as a child, it can happen. Anyway, so as an adult, the headaches that I get come from this shoulder, if I do get them. And that's from car accident, had the seatbelt across my, across my shoulder here, and it kind of like jostled my shoulder forward. So I've got chronic tension there. But thank God I have solutions and things to help me, so it doesn't bother me. But anyway, for those of you that are on that you do experience tension headaches, we're going to be talking about some ways that you can deal with them, and I'm going to do a little bit of a massage demonstration and show you some self-care that you can do. But 3 really easy things. 1, limit your screen time. So not necessarily from your eyes, right? Because you can get a headache from too much screen time on your eyes, but you're going to limit your screen time because of your body positioning. Hey, Mallory, thanks for being on. Mallory's a massage therapist as well, so she can vouch for me about some of the things I'm going to share for self-care. But for those of you that use a computer a lot or you're on a screen a lot, if you're holding your cell phone all the time, let's see if I can demonstrate. I don't know how to demonstrate this for you guys, but you're looking down, right? Cell phones and your hands are constantly down. This is going to put stress on the back of your neck and on your shoulders. If you're constantly manipulating a mouse or manipulating a keyboard, chances are you're not sitting properly. So that's one of the things that we do as massage therapists. We can actually come into your office and show you how to set up your keyboard, how to position your chair, and how to have like proper ergonomics or body mechanics while you're working. But most of us don't have that luxury. So you're going to find that the more time you spend on your technology, the more tension and stress you have in those areas. So limit your screen time. That's tip number 1. That's super important for reducing your tension headaches. Stretching. I cannot tell you how important stretching is, because I don't even have the words to express to you guys, but I go over this with each and every one of my clients. In today's day and age, everybody is so tech-centered. Everyone should be doing this. You need to take the time to stretch out your neck, even if you're spending 5 minutes in the morning, and then take your 15-minute breaks. There is a reason why breaks are built in, and it's not to jump on your cell phone and Facebook or to have cigarettes, although we enjoy those things. We have break times to actually unplug and take a break, so do that for yourself. Stretch, walk, move. And then tip number 3, hydrate. Hydrate, hydrate, hydrate. Not necessarily for tension headaches, but I'm sure there's some people who don't know what kind of headaches they have, or they're not sure if they have tension headaches. So increasing your water is always going to be a safe thing, or not safe, a good thing to do to reduce your headaches overall. Dehydration can cause a headache, so get on it, guys. All right, so let's get into the demonstration. Sorry, I'm totally losing my train of thought because I always have notes when I'm doing lives, and I want to make sure that I'm giving you guys all the information. Okay, so let's do self-care. So the first thing that I would do is stretch. So you can watch my video from last Friday if you want specific stretching instructions, but you can just gently bring one ear to your shoulder, keeping your other shoulder away, and then you can switch, bring your other ear to your shoulder, get some movement in there. And then this little jar is my secret weapon. This is one of the things I use in my massage practice. If you want to know more about this product, you hit me up and I'll tell you. This is not a sales pitch. This is a demonstration. So, but this is amazing. So I will start out by taking a little bit of this, and literally, like, it's thick. So I'm taking, like, you can't even see. I'm not like scooping it out. I'm just taking this little teeny tiny bit. And the first thing I'm going to do is rub it right behind my ear. I don't know if you guys can see that area, but it's like at the bottom base of my hairline. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to do this on the other side as well. And I'm also going to do this, I don't know if you guys can see, right in the middle. I'm not going to give you fancy science names. I am a massage therapist. I promise you I know all the fancy science names, but I'm keeping this basic and simple. You guys don't need to worry about that. Hey, Carol. Thanks for being on. I see we've got some other people that have joined us. Thank you guys so much for being here. Let me know in the comments, for those who are recently joined, do you suffer from tension headaches? Let me know some way, some shape, or how. If you want to drop a 1 to just affirm that you have them, that would be great. If you want to drop an emoji that shows me how you feel when you get the tension headaches, I'd like to know. I know it makes me feel pretty crappy, but gratefully I don't get them too much anymore. So, okay, we've hit those 3 spots, base of the neck, and then I'm also going to do temples, right? Oh, you're in New York, Carol? How is it up there? How's the weather? Are you there for Labor Day? Do you guys have any fun Labor Day plans? I will be most likely massaging, and then my cousin's coming into town, so Mark and Amanda, I don't think they're watching this, but Mark and Amanda, I'm probably going to see you guys this weekend. Okay, so I've hit those 3 spots. So this is going to help with reducing inflammation, which is going to help kind of like get that tension out of your body. So, and it smells really good, and it's already making me relaxed. So, okay, so once I've applied that, and again, I did it on the base of each, like behind my ear. Oh, awesome. Carol said she's visiting her 90-year-old mother. Tell your mom we said hello. And so then I did this middle part here, and I did each one of the temples. So now I'm going to start with self-massage. And literally, I'm going to use that same C motion. If you guys were with me last Friday, we talked about making the C motion with your hand. So you're going to take that, and you're going to start out, just grab the base of your skull. Guys, don't hurt yourself. Massage should not hurt. I don't care who tells you, but if your massage is painful or uncomfortable at any shape or any time, you need to let your therapist know. And yeah, you can talk to me more about that if you want. I'm a massage therapist. Anyway, so you're going to grab those 2 areas, and you're going to just gently massage them. I don't know if you guys can see. So you can do it with 1 hand. You can do it with 2 hands. But just start loosening up those muscles. And so you're going to go from the outside close to the center. Hopefully you guys can hear me. I need better technology. I need like 6 cameras and microphones and professional stuff. All right, so just massage from the outside in, and you can kind of go like move down your neck, and then start from the inside, and you can just pull those muscles down and out. Just kind of just feel your body. It feels good. So you're gonna do that, and then you're gonna start getting into the head. Now this might seem like really, really simple. I am telling you, if you actually have experienced a tension headache, you know it's all here. And it's like the back of your head is throbbing and throbbing, and it is sometimes feels hot. It's not comfortable. So this is stuff that when I was in massage school, I would sometimes get the really bad headaches still, and I would just kind of like try it. Hey, Kimberly, how are you? Kim Possible. So, okay, so you're just going to keep massaging up your head and then come around to the front. And on your head, you can get some real good pressure. So take it easy with the pressure for your neck, but you'll find more. And so what I'm doing is I'm pressing in and moving, right? So I'm not going like this. That's like one of my massage pet peeves. Or someone will like offer me a massage or whatever, and they're like doing this on my head, and I'm like, God, no, please stop. So you want to press and then move, right? So I'm pressing into my head, and I'm actually trying to move like the skin. See that? It's weird. You can see my forehead moving. That's because I'm moving the actual skin, the tissue layers. So get in here and then start coming down in the front of your head, massage down into your temples. And so some of you are going to find that the tension goes down into your jaw too. So keep massaging once you get through your temples. Now, when I have a really bad headache, I will notice that as soon as I touch my temples, it hurts, but it feels good. That's what we want. We want hurts so good. So I will start like really getting in here. So thanks, Kim. Kim says this is an awesome visual. You weren't on before, but I'm also using my secret sauce that I use for massage. So you missed that. But I'm massaging that into my temples and into the back of my base of my neck. So then I'm going to keep going down, and I'm going to get into my jaw. This muscle right here, it's called your masseter muscle. It's I think it is the strongest muscle in the body. I could be wrong. If you're a massage therapist and I'm wrong, correct me, but I think this is the strongest muscle in the body. And so it carries a lot of tension. We talk all the time. We sleep on our jaw. We do all this weird stuff with our mouth. So you're going to massage these muscles too. It's kind of hard to do that and talk, but you're going to massage these muscles too. And so I have tension in them right now. And because I talk all the time, incessantly. So you can press. Just press them down. Hey, Ronnie, I didn't see you jump on. Ronnie says everybody needs a massage therapist in their life. I totally agree. And for those of you who cannot come and see me for massage here in Orlando, that's one of the reasons why I have the different communities that I have going on here on Facebook to show you some self-care. And then also, that's why I've expanded into the side business that I have to be able to help more of you. So if you're experiencing pain, tightness, tension, and whatever, reach out to me. I can help. That's what I like to do. All right, so the muscle starts about here. And once you start feeling your body, it'll make sense. It feels like bone here, and it feels like bone here, and it feels kind of soft in the middle. So you can like drag. It hurts. It's really tense. Okay, so once you've worked out the masseter muscle, you can even go under your chin here. Just be easy and go like around the edge of your chin. You'll feel like right you'll feel like the ridge of your jaw. So go in there and you can go like around the bottom of your jaw. Okay, so now that you've done all of that massage, and feels really good. I don't even have a headache, and it feels really good. You might need to get down into your neck too. So if you need the neck, all that smiling and talking. So if you need the neck massage, I did a video on that last week, but if you're getting tension headaches, chances are it's down in your neck too. So you want to do this self-massage on your head, self-massage on your neck, stretch, drink water, hydrate, And again, limit your screen time just to protect your body. Go outside, run, play, do something, be a kid again. But anyway, so that's kind of it for me today. If you want to know more about what you can do to keep stress or tension out of your life, I would love to help you. I have some free resources that I can share. Today, what I can share with you guys is a free headache resource that will help you determine the difference between all the different types of headaches. Might help you to identify what types of headaches that you're experiencing. And yeah, I'm happy to send that to you guys. So just reach out to me, send me a PM or comment here. Let's see, what can you comment? Help my headaches. How's that? So if you drop help my headaches on here, I will send you that free PDF, or you can hit me up individually. So thank you guys so much. I appreciate your energy. I appreciate you being here with me. I hope you have a beautiful Friday and a happy Labor Day weekend. Yeah, that's it. Bye guys. Take care.